on adult relationships with every person you meet, whether for a few minutes or on the sidewalk or for knowing a person for years, in whatever capacity, professionally, just by chance, part of an organization, church, whatever kind of structure there is that the relationship happens within, there is a relationship of some kind. With adult love relationships, there is a capacity that's orchestrated by one's DNA through many stages in one's life, in maturing from a baby. One is puberty. The body goes through changes, so it becomes mature sexually. There are other changes, emotionally, etc., that happen too, but the body becomes capable of producing a child. Prior to this, of course, there was wondering about the first kiss and one's first time. The development of the love capacity in a maturing person usually comes later. And even though puberty, physical puberty, has occurred, the transition from an adolescent to a mature sexual adult, there is another transition to an adult. There is a transition that first one becomes interested in love and then wants to experience it, wondering what will the first kiss be like as regards love relationship, and what will the first time be like? Again, what could one expect? Well, given that you're in this transitional phase where your ability and capacity and appreciation to value this adult love, maybe getting some information before this all happens to you would be a good thing. There are a lot of people who went through physical puberty and didn't know what was going to happen, and there are a number of different kinds of consequences for being ignorant. There are far more serious consequences for being ignorant about what's going to happen to you with an adult love relationship. And so it might be very useful to get informed about all the changes that will be happening to you and the changes that will be happening in your life as a result of your capacity to love, and of course, you'll have a desire to love. Just as you had a desire for sexual fulfillment when you had gone through puberty, you will have a desire to have your love needs fulfilled. And again, as a child, you took in order to receive. Now, as an adult, with I love relationships, whether with a lover, a true love, or a friend, you will get fulfillment by giving. It sounds like this wouldn't be the case, but in an adult relationship with the adult function fully developed in a person, this is how one gets your love needs fulfilled, by giving. It doesn't matter if the person gives back. If a person doesn't give back, there are other considerations. But you still receive because you gave. I know it seems strange, but that is the way things work. Give, and you will receive. That's the way life works. Nobody can interfere with that. Nobody can interfere with you receiving if you're giving. This isn't to say you should be in a destructive relationship. This isn't to say you should be unaware and just give to whoever comes along. You give appropriately and in a timely manner to people you choose to give to people who will give back to you. That, of course, is a wonderful thing.